In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view to thumbnail view in Adobe Acrobat. If your home screen is showing a long list of file names and dates, switching to thumbnails will give you visual previews of your PDFs, making it faster to recognize the files you need at a glance. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. When it loads, you should land on the home screen. If you previously had a document open, close it or click home in the left sidebar to return to the main hub where your files are listed. This change happens on the home screen where recent files appear, not inside an individual PDF. Look toward the center of the screen for the recent section, which shows the documents you've opened lately. This is the area whose display we're going to adjust. On the right side of that section, you'll notice an Open or Open File button. That button lets you browse for a file manually, but the control we need is just to the side of it. Right next to Open, you'll see two small view icons. One looks like stacked horizontal lines, that's List View. The other looks like a small grid of squares, that's Thumbnail View. These icons control how the files in the recent section are displayed. Click the grid of squares to switch to thumbnail view. As soon as you click it, the file list will rearrange into a grid with image previews of each PDF. You should now see small snapshots of the first page, along with the file name and other details. This doesn't move or change your files. It simply changes how they're shown to you. If you don't see those icons, try widening the Acrobat window or hovering near the right edge of the recent section. On smaller screens, the controls can compress or hide until there's space. Also, make sure you're on the home screen and not inside a document. These view toggles apply to the home file list, not the page thumbnails panel you use when editing a PDF. A quick tip, you can switch back and forth between list and thumbnail views anytime using those same icons, depending on whether you prefer a compact list or a more visual layout. Your choice typically persists the next time you open Acrobat, saving you a step. That's all it takes. Open Acrobat, go to the recent area on the home screen, find the view icons beside the open button, and choose the grid icon for thumbnail view. Enjoy a more visual, streamlined way to find your PDFs.